Are you looking for the best flat-screen TVs? In this video we will look at some of the best flat-screen TVs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung 55-inch Class OLED 4K S90C series. The AMSUNG 55-inch Class OLED 4K S90C series is a top-of-the-line television that offers impressive features and stunning picture quality. With Samsung's OLED technology, the display delivers a mesmerizing visual experience with incredible detail, vibrant colors, and remarkable screen brightness. The OLED panel produces self-illuminating pixels, allowing for precise control of brightness and contrast, resulting in enhanced picture quality. Equipped with a neural quantum processor with 4K upscaling, this TV transforms HD content into sharp and lifelike 4K resolution. Whether you're streaming movies, watching sports, or viewing home videos, the high-performance R-powered processor optimizes the visual output for an immersive viewing experience. Number 2. Sony 65-inch Mini LED 4K Ultra HD TV X93L series. The Sony 65-inch Mini LED 4K Ultra HD TV X93L series offers a remarkable viewing experience with lifelike picture quality and intelligent features. Equipped with the cognitive processor XR, this TV delivers a picture that replicates how we see the real world. It provides wide dynamic contrast, detailed blacks, natural colors, and high peak brightness, resulting in a visually immersive experience. The Mini LED contrast and color technology in this TV ensures ultimate contrast and billions of accurate colors. Thousands of mini LEDs, controlled by the XR Backlight Master Drive and XR Triluminoz Pro, deliver precise and vibrant visuals, enhancing the overall picture quality. Number 3. LG C3 Series. The LG C3 series is a sophisticated television that offers an immersive viewing experience with advanced features. Featuring LG's OLED Evo technology, the TV is powered by the A9 AI processor Gen 6, which is exclusively designed for LG OLED. This results in beautiful picture quality and exceptional performance. The brightness booster enhances the brightness, ensuring a luminous picture with high contrast, even in well-lit rooms. With AI-assisted deep learning, the TV analyzes the content you're watching to choose the best picture and sound settings, ensuring an optimized viewing experience. The LG OLED Evo C3 boasts an ultra-slim design with an almost invisible bezel, blending seamlessly into any space. You can even display paintings, photos, and other content when not watching, further integrating the TV into your decor. Number 4. Hisense 55-inch Class U8 series. The Hisense 55-inch Class U8 series is a cutting television that offers an immersive viewing experience with its advanced technologies. Equipped with Hisense proprietary OLED technologies, the TV enhances color, contrast, brightness, and motion, delivering a unique and engaging picture quality that can only be achieved by Hisense. This suite of patented hardware and software technologies ensures a visually captivating experience. The U8 series features mini-LED and full-array local dimming technology, representing the latest breakthrough in backlighting. By utilizing significantly smaller LED lights, the TV can incorporate a greater number of LEDs, resulting in a brighter image that distributes light more evenly across the screen. This leads to a uniform image with enhanced contrast and precision. Number 5. Hisense 65-inch Class U6 series. The Hisense 65-inch Class U6 series is an exceptional television that offers an immersive viewing experience with its advanced technologies. Featuring Hisense proprietary OLED technologies, the TV elevates color, contrast, brightness, and motion to new heights. With a suite of patented hardware and software technologies, Hisense delivers a picture quality that is engaging, completely unique, and exclusive to their brand. The U6 series incorporates mini-LED and full-array local dimming technology, which represents the latest breakthrough in backlighting. By utilizing significantly smaller LEDs compared to traditional ones, the TV can incorporate a larger number of LEDs to create a bright image with more even light distribution across the screen. This results in a uniform image with enhanced brightness, contrast, and precision.